Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lone Wrench Garage. On this episode, we're at the Elks Car Show being held at the Sertoma Festival in Ozark, Missouri. It's a smaller show, but we're going to do a casual walkthrough and highlight a select few vehicles. Some were mild, some were wild, and some were unusual.
I cherish the moments we spend together. Now give me $100 or I'll tell Mom about Heather.
You're the best dad. Always supports.
Yeah. You think you might get it?
78 Corvette invitation. Do you love them or hate them?
Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time on the Lone Wrench Garage.